objective of participating in Wind Energy Expo? Was it to launch a new product or competitive intelligence? So what exactly were you looking at the output?
See, APAR is in the business of manufacturing cables since 2008. And prior to that, there was a company called Uniflex which we bought. We are the market leaders as far as wind segment is concerned. We make all the type of cables which are required for the wind turbines and the wind tower. And we've got a market share of about 70 to 75%. And most of our customers are exhibiting their product here. The objective of being here is just to interact with the people whom we've been meeting and to upgrade ourselves as far as the technology in wind is concerned. So this is one place where all the technocrats who are related to wind, I met a customer of mine who sells my product in the international market. So there are a lot of people relevant to us are here. That's the reason we are exhibiting.
So how do you think, a show like Wind Energy Expo is influencing your positioning in the Indian market?
Let me tell you one thing. I have come for the first time into Wind Show, and I am very much surprised to seeing the exhibitors here. I visit a lot of exhibitions all over the world, even within India. So looking at this segment, this is not a small segment, which some of the companies are producing wind in India and exporting to the developed countries. I'm pretty surprised looking at the size of the exhibition.
Right. So, since you have been participating in the past editions as well, if I ask you what is the kind of percentage growth that you have had because of this expo?
See, that would be difficult for me to comment on it because, as I said, we are the market leaders in this segment, and name it Suzlon, Nordex, or Adani, or any other wind companies, we are there. Like, we all depend upon, our business depends upon their order book. And as I said, being a market leader, we do a lot of R&D work. We work with them closely in developing the product. It's like the best, cheaper, greener product, what they want. And we work very closely with them, all these companies.
Right. So, uh, what are the other, like, how do you quantify, the quality of the visitors that are coming in? Are you happy with the kind of visitors that are approaching?
See, I came to this exhibition a couple of hours back, but I was taking the feedback from my team. I think they were quite satisfied with the kind of footfalls we had yesterday. So it's too early for me to comment for today. Let's see how it goes, how the day goes on. But yesterday my team was very happy.
And do you have any feedback for Wind Energy Expo on how they can go ahead and improve it for the future editions?
Then probably, I don't know. I'm quite happy the way things are. And as I said, I am a part of one of the largest electrical exhibition in India. I do not know, it's not right on my part to talk about that exhibition. That's one of the largest T&D show what we do in India. But I think for this segment, this is comparable. Like when you talk only for wind, like last month my team was in Germany for wind show. There was one team was there in Berlin for railway. So when you look at this segment, this is quite big. This is quite big. I'm quite happy. And I think in the coming years, this obviously will grow. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of international suppliers or manufacturers or customers would come into India for this show going ahead.
Okay, since we have spoken about, being a key player in the industry and things like that, what according to you is the most challenging aspect for the Indian wind energy industry at the moment?
See, I feel there's no challenge as long as you produce quality product. I think world appreciates quality. As long as you stick to your basics, I don't think we would have any challenge anywhere supplying in the world.
Would you recommend this show to your competitors and your industry colleagues?
I think so. I can.
Great. Any last words for the
No, I would say all the best to the organizers. I think it's done pretty well. This is my second visit to Chennai Trade Center. I had visited about 10 years back for an electrical show here. But I think I would wish the organizers all the best.